G'day, this is Oz. Oh shit, Roo. Oh yeah, I'll try that again. G'day, this is Oz ADV rider out on a very cold morning. I am going to attempt to find a spot that I found by accident a couple of years ago, so hopefully I can find it again. I'm going to stop there, have a little cook up, and then we'll head down into Bonnie Doon and I'll show you a movie location from a famous Australian movie. Righto, just had to stop and check that view out. Wow, I don't think the camera's going to do that justice. Man, it is freezing this morning. It's a couple of degrees above zero, I guess. Did get down below zero. I've come across a lot of frost this morning. Oh man, wow. Alright, I'll start see if I can get some heat into that. Is it going to work? That might be alright. Oh, probably shouldn't leave me lighter right there next to it. So I had a comment last night about my suspension extension video. A guy tried it with an Africa Twin shock like I did, but on a newer model V-Strom, and it interfered with the ABS. So my bike doesn't have ABS, so it's not something I thought of when I made the video. It's always a bit of a concern making these videos, and if people copy it and it doesn't work out, I feel like it's my fault. So I don't know if I should pull the video, if I should maybe edit it, put it in the start that this won't suit ABS models. There's possibly a workaround. If you've got a aftermarket Africa Twin shock, it might work. It's the big reservoir on top of it, that's hitting the ABS. V-Strom has this massive ABS unit, where is it, just above the swing arm, and this big reservoir on top of the shocks hitting it, so he's had a bit of trouble. So I don't know. Looking at the shocks on the YSS website, they're very narrow, they don't have those bits hanging off them, so they may work, but yeah, it's always a bit of a worry doing these videos. I don't want to lead anyone down the wrong path. And getting a bit of heat there, we'll try that. Oh, I can just go there. So today I'm going to attempt to cook up sausage and onion sandwiches. So we've got some onion already cut up, and that'll be better, and some pork sausages. Get them on, see if it's heating up. I may end up using the jet boil. We've got a bit of a sizzle there. Oop. Oop, don't want to lose the pan either. Just chuck it down there like that. Yes, I pinned his comment on the video so other people would see, and I've put it in the description, but I know a lot of people don't read the comments or the description, so I don't know. Yeah, it's definitely not a straightforward conversion. It's not like you just pull the shock out and put another one in. If you wanted to do it easier, you'd buy a Wilbur's. It's 25mm longer. Is it Cognic Dynamics, I think it's called. I know they do a longer shock. You'd have to ask them. Where I got the info for my front end, that guy had used a Cognic Dynamics shock, and I think he got it 40mm longer. That's actually sizzling nicely in there. Oh shit. Oh. Let's get this onion in there. Yes, I'm going to ride down to Bonnie Doon after this and check out a movie location from an Australian movie called The Castle. It's made in '97. Big movie here. I don't think it would have translated very well to other countries. Very Australian humour. Yeah, good movie though, very funny. Had Eric Bana in it that you'd probably know. He was played the Hulk in one of the Hulk movies. He's been in lots of movies. That's actually looking pretty good. It's cooking quite well in there. This hasn't done much. Couple of channels you need to check out too. Check out Into ADV, Dyna Madness Adventures, and Dodger Maya, I think you say his name. Check those guys out. They're about to go on a 2-week adventure starting very soon. So yeah, check them out. You'll be able to follow their adventures. They're all YouTubers. Should be good. I was invited to go. Would have loved to, but not in a position to take 2 weeks off at the moment. Man, that's looking good. Just bust one of those in half and have a look. Yeah, you could do it a bit more. Ooh. Alright, I reckon that's done. Yeah, I can sit that there, keep them warm. See if I can get this right. We'll do a sausage singer. Ended up burning that a bit. I took the eyes off it for a little while. So we've got sausage, onion. Check out this, a little bit of barbecue sauce. He's a bit burnt, we'll turn him over here. Does that look better? Something about food cooked on an open fire just tastes so much better. There's the charcoal and the dust and shit in it. sitting surrounded in roo-poo. I don't know. That is good though, I'm only kidding. Funny, in that movie, they were taking the piss with him saying, oh, how's the Serenity? Made it look quite dodgy, but it's absolutely beautiful here. I think they had a shot of him talking with bare hills in the background and the power line, so it looked kind of dodgy, but rightio, let's do this again. Oh, okay. Bread, sausage, onion, barbecue sauce, beautiful. Oh, so let me know if you like these kind of videos where I do a cookout. This is just a day trip. Yeah, when it warms up a bit, I'll try and do some camping trips as well. I'm just not a big fan of it. I have trouble sleeping in a real bed, let alone a bloody mattress on the ground. Righto, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. I'm going to pack this mess up. We'll head off, head down to Bonnie Doon, have a quick look at the holiday house, and then I'll head home. Righto, let's pack this shit up. Oh. Oh, that was a good idea, wasn't it? Rightio, this way, down to Bonnie Doon we go. Recording. Oh, there it is. Trading post. So there it is, the house from the castle. Nice. Serenity. You're not dreaming. Going to Bonnie Doon. So you can rent it through Airbnb. Oh, you're right. I probably get sick of people here taking photos. That is the movie location for the movie The Castle. There's a lake just there. Old mate's taking some photos too. Waiting for me to leave, I think. That bloody lake's right up. That's the car park. Yeah, well. Go down and have a look. Just have a little squiz down here. Wow, it's usually a big car park down here. Right, I think I'm going to leave it at that. This is usually a massive car park. Sometimes you can ride under the bridge. Not today. We have had a fair bit of rain in the last few months. It's been a very wet winter. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you next time.